So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So yeah guys, welcome to another Bitcoin on Track watch party, and in this video we are going to talk about different things dito, especially the Bitcoin price for the short term as well as the bigger time frame. We are also going to look at the Ethereum price action. We are also going to look at the logarithmic growth curve, as well as right now, the CRO token is getting a massive pump. So lahat sila papasadahan natin today in this video, and yeah, meron din tayo guys sa iPhone 13 raffle. So hindi pa kayo nakasali sa ating iPhone 13 raffle, you can actually join our iPhone 13 raffle na you can find the description down below. So you will actually see this iPhone 13 sponsored by Bybit. So Bybit is actually a trading platform. So if gusto nyo sumali dito sa ating mga iPhone 13 giveaway, all you have to do is to follow the criteria if you're going to register dito. Kailangan mo mag-register ng Bybit account. And as usual, if you want to claim bonus sa ating mga Bybit account, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can also find. Same goes at our description down below. So yeah, sali lang kayo guys if you want to win this iPhone 13. And yeah, how are you guys? Kamusta kayo guys dyan? And meron tayo actually poll ngayon sa baba, and it's actually all about crypto.com. So let me know guys, which sounds better, Staples Center or crypto.com Arena? Kasi right now, crypto.com has actually closed a deal with crypto.com announcing their historic naming rights partnership for Staples Center. So right now, nariname na si Staples Center to crypto.com, and it actually solidifies yung strength ng crypto.com, especially it's a trading platform. And saan ka nakita ng trading platform, diba, na ang dami niyang sponsorship, ang dami niyang marketing. You can actually see na sa kanila din si Matt Damon, and then meron din F1, UFC. So yeah, what do you think sounds better, crypto.com or Staples Center? So yeah, let's look into Bitcoin chart ngayon, and I'm actually looking at the comments right now. So siguro lakasan lang natin yung audio kung nahinaan pa kayo. So let me know guys kung rinig nyo naman. Pero so far, halos agad na yung sounds niya. So when do papalitan? It's actually around December 25 pa eh. But yeah, let's dive into the Bitcoin price right now. So siguro let's look at the very short term. So yeah. So let's look at this for the very short term. So diba previously, nagkaroon ng dip si Bitcoin. And yeah, right now, nag-form tayo ng bullish divergence. And look at that, guys. Declining price with an increasing RSI. That is actually a signal for a trend reversal signal to the upside. And look at that, guys. It played out exactly as predicted. So yeah, congratulations if you have been following our Telegram group and Discord group as well as sa Facebook. Pinost ko to actually sa Facebook kasi kanina umaga lang to nangyari. And yeah, kung nasa previous video ang nakita lang natin yung sa 15-minute time frame, andito pa lang si bullish divergence ton. Pero right now, nag-form na yung bullish divergence dito sa early time frame, and it actually played out exactly. Ngayon, ano ba yung target nito? So ang usual target ng bullish divergence is actually the 50 moving average. So right now, if this is in the hourly, then our target would be the 50 moving average in the hourly. However, since this is actually a falling channel, you can see na meron tayong falling channel, it would mean ang ating target for this falling channel would actually be this top of the channel, which is around the 61.1k. So yeah, if we are going to follow this 61.1k yung target natin ngayon upon this breakout, and you can see meron tayong buy volume indicating na that is a confirmed move. But yeah, medyo konti yung buy volume as compared to sell volume. So right now, it's playing out exactly. And yeah, so that is right now the Bitcoin price. That's what's happening right now for the very short term. 61.1k yung target. And let's see in the coming days what will happen. Let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame naman. You can see na nag-oversold na tayo sa 4-hour time frame, indicating na it's actually a good buying opportunity na. So if you want to enter big, di naman big, or let's say, if you want to enter some Bitcoin trades, pwede na actually pumasok. Kasi look at that, nag-oversold tayo kanina umaga, indicating na that was a good buying opportunity. And pero when it comes to trend reversal signal, wala pa tayong nakikitang trend reversal signal for the 4-hour time frame. Nasa ano pa lang siya, nasa hourly. Kasi ang gusto natin mangyari, if you, let's say, if you want to flip bullish na, ang gusto natin mangyari is magkaroon tayo ng bullish indicator dito. So, tingnan nyo to guys. the reason why nakita tayo ng pump previously kay Bitcoin kasi nagkaroon tayo ng bullish indicator noong around, kailan ba to? September. End of September, start na October. Di ba nakita tayo ng, hindi siya somewhat declining price. Siguro kalahati lang yung bullish divergence niya. But you can see the RSI is increasing, indicating na that was a bullish trend reversal signal. So, naalala nyo yung case, di ba nag-open tayo dyan ng long and then sinabayan natin siya. So, nakita nyo, we actually went up to the upside dito kay Bitcoin and then, yeah, right now we are playing with the Bitcoin price right now. And ang kailangan natin mangyari ngayon dito is kailangan natin ng indicator or bullish divergence mag-form dito sa 4-hour time frame. So, ngayon wala pa tayong nag-form ng ganun. So, as of now, huddle lang tayo if susundan natin yung bigger time frame. But yeah, for the time being, for the short term, pwede mo siya i-trade for the short term, pero when it comes to long-term trading, huddle muna and wait for a bullish signal in order for us to confirm a big move. So yeah, that is for the 4-hour time frame. Now, ito naman yung titingnan natin ngayon, the daily time frame. So, sa daily time frame, ito yung sinusundan natin. Di ba nagbigay ako actually ng warning one time? And yung warning natin, meron tayo actually nagpo-form na increasing price action and then declining RSI. Naalala niyo yung video 2 days ago, di ba? Meron tayo actually Bitcoin warning, crypto market warning na indicating na you might have a possible dip. And look at that, guys. It played out exactly as predicted then. So, congratulations if you have been following each and every of our analysis dito sa channel. And look at that one. It played out exactly. Saka diba sabi ko sa inyo, yung video yesterday, sabi natin na ang target ng rising channel, ng rising wedge nito is actually the bottom of the channel. I mean, bottom of the wedge. And it actually met our target exactly as predicted kanina umaga din. So, congratulations if you have traded this. Pero ako, I did not traded this. I'm actually looking for adding more long positions. So, right now, ano ba yung targets natin dito? So, since kakamit lang natin ang target dito sa 59K, it's actually time for us to wait for the next indicators to form. So, ang mangyayari ngayon, since wala pa tayong bullish indicators na nag-form ngayon, it's either na you are going to buy the dip using DCA strategy. DCA strategy meaning, hatiin mo yung pera mo into multiple buying opportunities. So, let's say meron kang 3,000 pesos. Hatiin mo siya into tatlong 1,000. So, pwede ka mag-buy now. So, let's say mag-buy now ka ngayon dyan. And then, pag bumagsak siya sa 58,000, another buy order. And then, let's say, pag bumagsak ng 53,000, another buy order. So, yeah, yun yung pwede mong gawin dyan sa DCA strategy. So, pwede mong tingnan si 58,000 as another good support. And you can actually partially buy now. Ngayon, ano pa ba ibang support na titingnan natin dito? So, as you can see right now, the 50-day moving average is confluent with the Bitcoin price. So, indicating na this is a good support. Another good support then would be this area of around the 53.6K. Kasi you can see na ayun, no? I think dyan tayo nakakuha ng previous resistance na nag-act na siya as support. And you can also see na yung ating 100-day moving average is also acting this area as another support area. So right now, yun yung titingnan natin ng level. It must hold the 50-day moving average. So we need to consolidate dito above the 50-day in order for us to remain siguro above 60K lang. Kung gusto natin mag-remain above 60K, kailangan mag-consolidate tayo dito further at the 60,000 up until the 66 in order for us to say na we are consolidating further. Pero if na-break natin yan, itong 50-day moving average, then our target would be the 100-day moving average. So yeah, right now, looking healthy pa naman talaga siya. Kasi if you're going to zoom out this, lalo na sa daily time frame, sobrang normal lang ng pullback niya eh. And ayan no, actually nung previous bull run, si Bitcoin, every time na nag-dip, buwabalik siya sa 50-day moving average. Ayan no. 50-day, 50-day. So, ayun, no, dip to 50-day, pump, dip to 50-day, pump, dip to 50-day, and then another pump. So, ganun din yung nangyayari ngayon kay Bitcoin. Right now, we are seeing that similar movement na nagda-dump to the 50-day moving average. So, kung ako tatanungin nyo, wala naman talagang ikaka-worry ngayon sa Bitcoin price. It's just that it's a normal pullback lang. Kasi may mga iba natatakot na bear market na ba? Babagsak na ba yung buong market? I don't think so. You can actually see na yun yung trend natin, no? Normal lang yung magkaroon ng pullback, and ang kagandahan nyo sa pullback na yan, nare-reset yung ating indicators. And as much as possible, mas maganda na mag-reset yung indicators natin kasi as you all know, if nagre-reset yung indicators, it's actually a good thing for us to pump, but it's actually gaining momentum for us to pump to the upside. So right now, very normal lang ng dip. So yeah, yun yung ating updating kay Bitcoin price. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. So, As you can see, meron $sign dun sa baba ng channels, dun sa YouTube Super Chat. Meron $sign, and then pwede kayo actually mag-donate sa channel. And yeah, if you want us to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito. So let's look into the comments lang saglit. And yeah, if meron din kayong gustong mga analysis, you can actually leave a suggestion din sa ating YouTube Super Chat kung ano gusto nyong analysis. May nagtatanong, hindi po ba na talaga na-unstake yung Bitcoin from crypto.com earn? Na-unstake siya, pero kung depende kasi siya sa term mo eh. So let's say, yung term mo is naka 3 month, of course, di mo siya pwede i-unstake. Kasi of course, nakalock ka for 3 months. Ang staking kasi, nilalock mo yung coin mo in order for that platform to use that asset to their investment. And in return, ang gagawin nila, bibigyan ka nila ng rewards sa crypto. So, yun yung reason na nilalock, the more na mas matagal yung locking term mo, the more na mas mataas yung interest mo. So, kung nakalock ka for 3 months, hindi mo siya talaga ma-unstake. Kailangan mo abangan matapos yung 3 months. So, pag natapos yung 3 months, dun mo makukuha yung pera. So, saka lang siya lalabas. So, yeah, let's dive into other coins naman. So, with that being said, let's look into Ethereum. So, as you can see, for Ethereum, we actually had this dip then. So, nag-play out actually itong rising wedge na nakikita natin sa 4 time frame. And we have been following this rising wedge very closely for a very long time na nga, diba? And our target was actually the bottom of the wedge, which is around the 3.9K, yung actual target nito. But right now, if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, you can see na, just like with Bitcoin, we are starting to form a bullish divergence. So, ito yung bullish divergence. Declining price, increasing RSI, that is a signal for a bullish trend reversal to the upside. So, right now, ang target nito is the 50 moving average in the early time frame pala, not daily. So, you can see na meron tayong bullish divergence na go-form. So, I think tomorrow makita tayo ng green day dito sa ating crypto market. It's because of this bullish divergence. Kasi ang nangyayari niyan, kaya tumataas yung RSI natin habang nagkakaroon ng declining price. Ibig sabihin niya, maraming nagbabuy the dip during this area. So if hindi ka kasama doon sa mga nagbabuy ng dip nan, then I don't know what you're doing. Kasi of course, ito na yung opportunity nyo to re-enter the market. You can actually see na nag-start na tayo magkaroon ng massive buy volume dito kay Ethereum mo. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng green candle sa ating buy dito sa ating volume indicator, indicating na people are not selling. People are currently buying more. So if you are selling, then that's not actually the correct move right now. So as you can see, that is for Ethereum, especially in the early time frame. For our time frame, no bullish indicators yet, but nag-oversold tayo, indicating na that was a good buying opportunity for Ethereum. Looking at this in the daily, nag-reset yung ating indicator, but you can see Ethereum is looking very, very, very healthy right now sa ating daily time frame. As you can see, we are bullish with Ethereum if we are above the 50-day moving average. So ayan no. If we are above, that is bullish. And right now, Ethereum is actually still holding this green line, which is the 50-day moving average, indicating na we are still bullish with Ethereum. So right now, wala na may kaka-worry ngayon sa crypto market, especially kay Ethereum. And yeah, let's look at other coins naman. Tingnan natin yung mga suggestion nyo. So may nagtatanong daw FTM. Sige, let's look at FTM. FTM USD. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. Just click the $sign na makita nyo in the YouTube Super Chat down below. And as you can see, ito yung ating FTM update. So meron tayong actually previous analysis dito kay FTM. Meron tayong bullish and bearish target. So ayun na, diba? Kasi yung previous analysis natin, increasing price, declining RSI, indicating na we are going to see a bearish trend reversal to the downside. And right now, that one played out exactly. Pero as you can see, meron din tayong rising wedge, indicating na that is an imminent move. So it's either to the upside or to the downside. So ang targets nito, ang bullish target nito would be the top of the wedge, which ang bullish target is actually 6.1 or $6.2. Kasi that is actually by getting the height of this FTM price action. So yan, nagdun yung ating bullish target. Pero yung ating bearish target is actually the 0.97 or the bottom of the wedge. So right now, yun yung ating tinitingnan dito kay FTM. But I think we are going to see a strong support at this area. Let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I think we are now entering this massive support area kay FTM. So let's draw a price range. So as you can see, meron tayong support level dito kay FTM. So right now, this should hold this support if we want to remain bullish with FTM. So if hindi natin siya na ma-hold, then I think ang next target natin would be around this next area na between the 1.45 US dollars area. 1.17 to 1.45. So right now, it must hold this area between the 1.91 and the 2.21. Looking at this in the moving averages, right now we are currently temporarily bearish in the 4-hour, but in the daily time frame, we are bullish in the daily time frame. It's just that for the very short term bearish, pero for the long term, it's bullish. And yeah, that is for FTM. You can see na oversold na tayo, indicating na that this is a good buying opportunity right now for FTM if, let's say, magbabay ka ng dip. So yeah, that is the FTM price action. Thanks, Christian Pintor, for the donation. Sir Gab, pati A4 for Algo. Nag-survive ba siya last bear market? Kung meron man. Thanks po. Sige, let's look at Algo. And tingnan natin kung anong start yung release date ng Algo. Algo crypto release date. So actually, kaka-launch niya lang November 22, 2021. So indicating na I know after month, hindi, iba pala to. Hindi pala yun yung actual algo. This is just yung kanilang algoment mainnet. Pero let's see kung kailan ba talaga siya nag-start. So, I think mas maganda sa crypto market cap, coin market cap, and then Algo. Let's look at Algo. So, ito yung historical data ni Algo. Algo started last. Kailan ba? Let's look at the trading view chart. Or yeah, let's look at the price and all-time. So actually, kakagaling lang ni Algo, hindi pa nanggagaling si Algo sa isang Bitcoin bear market. As you can see, 2019, though you can see na that was a bear market kasi kasagsagan siya ng bear market nung end ng bear market pero start ng consolidation phase. So it's pretty much hard to say kung mag-survive pa ulit siya in the long term. But right now, yeah, Algo is looking good if let's say we're going to follow this since 2019 data kasi you can see na that was the Bitcoin bear market and somehow nag-survive siya with this recent consolidation, especially nung May capitulation. But yeah, let's look at the algo analysis ngayon for the daily time frame. So as well as in the shorter time frame, let's use the Coinbase chart. So as you can see, Algo, may previous analysis pala tayo kay Algo. Ayan no. So yung ating previous analysis kay Algo, we were actually following this consolidation pattern pa din. So right now, we are still in a consolidation area with Algo. And you can see na meron tayong ito, yung ating lowest possible level would be the 1.6 US dollars. So I think Algo is going to consolidate pa further dito. And right now, if ay pahabol yung ating 200-day moving average. So if let's say mag-consolidate tayo further and then humabol yung 200-day, then I think we are going to see a pump kay or a move at least kay Algo. So right now, yun yung ating abangan for Algo if we are going to see a massive move dito kay Algo. If mag-consolidate tayo dito further and mag-touch sa 100 or 200-day moving average. So yeah, that is for the Algo price action. Thanks Angelo Chu for the donation. Let's look at other coins naman and BNB. Sige, let's look at BNB. So for BNB, we actually met our target exactly dito. Ito, kasi di ba yung ating previous analysis kay BNB, ito, let's look at BNB. Previous analysis natin, we were following this falling channel and our target was actually the top of the channel and you can actually see na we met the target exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you have traded that. And ano ba yung next movement dito kay BNB? As you can see, we are actually dropping to the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. And meron tayong support at the 546 right now, and ang resistance is the 587 US dollars. So I think we are going to consolidate pa dito further with the BNB price action, and ang kailangan mangyari ngayon is kailangan natin mag-form ng bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. But as you can see, when it comes to the early time frame, meron din tayong bullish divergence. So pretty much the whole crypto market is forming a bullish divergence across all time frames, across all coins for at least. Kasi of course, the market is currently dipping and maraming nagbabuy the dip. So tumataas yung strength natin sa coins. And then yeah, I think tomorrow makita tayo ng bullish trend reversal movement dito sa mga coins na yan. Kasi may bullish indicators sa early time frame. But when it comes to the 4 time frame for the midterm, wala pa talaga masyado. So yun yung monitor natin closely in the coming days if we are going to see a bullish trend reversal with different coins, especially kay BNB, especially nakita natin na ang daming good buying opportunity dito sa crypto market. AVAX. Sige, let's look at AVAX. And before we dive in kay AVAX, so nang inakita natin ngayon na dip guys, ibig sabihin niya now is actually the best time to stake your coins, and the best place to stake your coins is actually in crypto.com. So yeah, dito kay crypto.com you can actually stake your coin, and then pwede ka actually makuha ng kanilang Visa card. And I heard na nire-release nila ulit ni crypto.com yung Visa card dito sa Philippines. Like alam ko pina-prioritize nila ngayon yung Visa card ngayon dito sa Philippines. So if you want to claim this beautiful metal Visa card kay crypto.com, you can actually sign up dito, and you can actually use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to stake your coins, maganda dito kasi mas mataas yung ating interest dito. Unlike kay Binance, si Binance kasi walang lock staking for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike dito kay crypto.com meron. So if you want to claim up to $50 bonus kay crypto.com, you can actually use my sign up link, Gabs Crypto, sign up code. Both of them are in the description down below. And yeah, you can see for Bitcoin, you can actually earn up to 8.5 interest per annum. Same goes with Ethereum. And for USDC, pwedeng 14%. And kung gusto nyo let's say gusto nyo mag-stake ng SHIB, meron actually Shiba Inu dito na staking. So yeah, if you want to stake your Shiba Inu, pwede dito kay crypto.com. Ayun na, meron din actually pala Algorand dito. Meron VeChain, BNB, Cardano, and yeah, many more coins. But yeah, let's dive in dito sa ating AVAX price action. So for AVAX, na-meet natin yung target natin exactly, and you can see na nag-form siya ng nag-start siya actually mag-form ng bearish divergence eh. Ito. But right now, we are starting to form this RSI resistance. So I think ang kailangan natin i-monitor dito if itong RSI resistance is going to break to the upside. If na-break natin yung RSI resistance na yan, then I think we are still going to be bullish pa din kay AVAX. But if we get rejected, then yeah, we are going to get a pullback for AVAX. But on top of that, I think ang maganda na din tingnan ngayon is this ascending or rising wedge kay AVAX. So you can see na meron na tayong nag-form na ascending or rising wedge, indicating na meron tayong continuation. Magko-continue pa siya within this wedge. Pero traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern. So if this breaks to the downside, then our target would be the $83. Pero right now, our target is still the $104. And you can see na ito is AVAX. Siguro let's delete other indicators. Delete natin yung mga ibang analysis natin since nag-play out naman na siya. As you can see, di ba? Halos lahat analysis natin nag-play out dito. So, congratulations if you've been following our channel talaga. And palitan lang natin yung color niya kasi tapos na yung analysis natin dyan eh. So yeah, this is for AVAX. You can see na ito yung ating recent price action kay AVAX. And yeah, if this breaks bullish, then our target is by getting the height of this rising wedge. So palitan lang natin yung ating color and then yung weight niya. So if this breaks bullish, then our target would be the 118 US dollars. Pero right now, we are still playing within this area. And if this breaks bearish, then 83 US dollars is our target. So yun yung ating analysis for AVAX. And yeah, that is for AVAX. CRO, sige. Maganda din pag-usapan si CRO. Kasi right now, CRO is still increasing. Kasi look at this. Ever since the May capitulation ng CRO, ng Bitcoin, you can actually, CRO actually went up a modest 480%. So let's say nag-stake ka ng CRO sa crypto.com. Kasi CRO is actually the native token ng crypto.com. So let's say nag-stake ka ng CRO just for you to get that Visa card. Pwedeng yung inyong pera ngayon could be around 480% na. Kasi ang minimum staking, alam ko ang minimum amount to earn or to claim the Visa card kay crypto.com is around 18,000 pesos or yeah, mas mura na siya as compared to BPI kasi 'di ba kay BPI yung savings account, yung investment account ng BPI, ang minimum niya is around 25,000. Dito yung staking staking account mo dito for a high interest per annum is around 18,000 pesos lang. So yeah, mas mura dito talaga as compared to any traditional bank. So let's say if meron kang BDO, kay BDO alam ko minimum doon is 25,000 din. Same goes with BPI. Hindi ko sure kung kay BPI 25,000 or 50,000. Pero dito, 18,000 yung pinakang mura sa alam ko kay Crypto.com. So if you want to invest talaga, kay Crypto.com talaga mas maganda mag-invest. And kita nyo naman, di ba, ang daming projects ni Crypto.com, especially sa may iba't ibang sports platform, ayun. And then, yeah, right now, look at this. Crypto.com is actually holding a strong support right now at the 38 cents. And it's actually still going up. Our target for actually CRO is around the 58 cents. So right now, 58 cents yung ating next target for CRO. And it's actually pretty looking good right now for CRO. If we break that and see 58 cents, then our target would be the 75 or 76 cents na. So congratulations if you have been staking and owning CRO. And if you want to stake more CRO, you can actually use my sign up link. You will actually get up to $50 bonus if you're going to use my code GABSCrypto. So yeah, that is for CRO. Strong support at the 38 cents and then strong resistance at the 57 cents. And ang ganda din actually ni CRO. Look at this in the daily time frame. We are consistently increasing kay CRO. So extend lang natin to para makita natin siya further. And yes, CRO is looking very, very bullish. May mga iba nag-suggest Cardano, Axie Infinity, Polkadot. Sige, papasadahan natin sila mga coins as well as VeChain. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. Just click the $sign down below. May tutorials ka po para sa mga rising wedge, head and shoulders, and many more patterns na ginagamit nyo po. Yes, meron akong Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. So all you have to do is just to search youtube.com. Ay, punta lang kayo sa youtube.com. So just go to youtube.com and then type in Gabs Crypto 101. Type nyo lang Gabs Crypto 101 and then lalabas lahat ng ating Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. Especially iba't ibang tutorials na ginagamit ko dito. Lahat ng mga indicators and patterns and strategies na ginagamit ko sa aking mga trading. Handito lahat sa Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. So yeah, makita nyo siya dito sa ating description down below if you want to check this one out. Pero yun nga, you can actually still search this. And yeah, makita nyo ang dami natin dito ang tutorials, especially moving averages, how do I set up the indicators, support resistance, MACD, trading pattern strategy, yeah, volume indicator, Fibonacci retracement, and many more. Features, meron din tayo leverage trading tutorial or futures trading tutorial. So, ang dami natin tutorial video, crypto futures tutorial and leverage trading tutorial. Meron dito, Fibonacci retracement tutorial. Lahat meron tayo, guys. It's just, nasa inyo na yan kung saan nyo i-check siya. Pero nandito siya available sa ating YouTube channel. Just click my channel or search sa youtube.com or you can check that in the description down below. So yeah, that is for Gabs Crypto 101. And yeah, let's look at other coins. Siguro let's talk about Cardano naman. So yeah, this is for Cardano. Let's look at this in the daily time frame. Let's open the 200-day moving average. So look at this. So right now, Cardano is still actually holding the 200-day moving average as a support. I know. Kasi di ba sabi natin, di ba sa mga previous analysis ko, sabi natin, Cardano it's not going to likely close below the 200-day moving average. And right now, look at that. We are holding the 200-day moving average exactly. And right now, we are still bullish with Cardano. Sobrang tagal nga lang ng consolidation niya. And I think nag-form na tayo ng panibagong indicator dito. Siguro let's try to draw this indicator. You can actually see na meron na tayo nag-form na falling wedge. Ito, for me, mas clear na to. Kasi dati may mga nagsabi na falling wedge do yung previous Ethereum price action. For me, I don't think na that's a valid falling wedge yung mga previous price action. Pero right now, this is now looking to be a more clear na na falling wedge. And right now, look at this. Ito yung gusto natin makita. Declining price, but the RSI is currently increasing. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng bullish indicator ngayon kay Cardano. So I think in this case, this is actually a bullish trend reversal signal for Cardano. So sa ngayon, let's monitor this in the coming days if we are going to see this one play out. But if in this case, if this plays out, then our target would be the top of this falling wedge, which is around the 2.9 US dollars area. So yeah, that is for the Cardano price action. So ito yung monitor natin itong falling wedge. And right now, we are looking good right now for the Cardano price action. So I suggest keep calm, hodl, and zoom out when in doubt. SLP. Sige, we are going to dive in mamaya with SLP. Ano pag gusto nyo? Axie Infinity. Sige, let's look at Axie Infinity naman. So guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. Just click the $sign down below and yeah, you can actually leave a donation. And look at this, Axie Infinity is still consolidating within our consolidation area. So let's look at this. You can see na ang haba ng consolidation natin dito kay Axie Infinity, oh. So I think we are going to see a big move dito anytime soon kay Axie Infinity. And yeah, it's just a matter of buying or entry levels lang talaga. But you can see na Axie Infinity is pretty much consolidating between the 120 up until the 155 US dollars. So yeah, right now Axie Infinity is still consolidating. Pero if na-break natin siya, of course, ang first target natin is the 169 US dollars. If na-break natin si 169 US dollars or 170, our next target is actually the 215 US dollars. So if na-break natin yan, then 215 US dollars ang ating target dito. So that is for Axie Infinity. I think we are pretty much looking good right now for Axie Infinity. VeChain, VET daw. Sige, let's look at VET. So right now, nag-breakdown tayo actually sa VeChain price action. And you can see na yung ating 50-day moving average is going to act as support ngayon dito. But yeah, ano ba yung overall analysis natin? So as you can see, in previous analysis natin dito kay VeChain was coming off from this, ito. Let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. Ang ganda actually ng analysis natin kay VeChain, no? We actually went from this declining price and then increasing RSI, indicating that is a bullish trend reversal. And then from there on, we never looked back with the VeChain price action. And this is our first retest. I think a 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is now a pretty strong support right now. So yeah, yun yung ating kailangan tingnan dito. And ayun. May support tayo that 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, indicating that is a good buying opportunity. Nag-oversold, pero right na wala pa tayong bullish trend reversal indicators for VeChain. So yeah, I suggest hodl lang muna and buy the dip using dollar cost average, and yeah, patience lang talaga. Patience lang habang wala pang bullish indicators. Sir, totoo po ba yung tataas yung XRP by December? I don't know. Actually, ito yung problem ko kay XRP. Ang dami mo siya doon nag-hype ng XRP. Pero if you're going to look at the historical data ni XRP, forever sideways si XRP. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, if gusto nyo talaga mag-invest ng coin, I don't think XRP is the best coin to invest. Kasi kung titingnan nyo kung magkano yung price ni XRP noong 2017 bull market. 2018 XRP price. Tingnan nyo to guys. Tingnan nyo kung magkano yung XRP noon. Around 1.3 US dollars. 1.3 yung all-time high ni XRP noon. Let's look at the 2013. Hindi ko sure kung meron 2013 or 2014. 2014 meron. Mababa si XRP noon. Sobrang mura. But yeah, let's look at this in the weekly. Medyo kulang yung data nito. But yeah, you can see na it's actually moving sideways for pretty much a long time na. Ever since nung nag-dip, nag-bear market, it's actually just moving sideways. And especially if you're going to look at this in the XRP to Bitcoin dominance. Siguro gamitin natin si Bitstamp para mas malaki. Ayun, tingnan nyo to guys. XRP has been pumping and dumping for a very long time. Pump dump lang talaga si XRP. So, I don't think XRP is very good investment. I think XRP is more of a utility token for bank transfers, ganon. Pero when it comes to investment, I don't think XRP is the best coin to invest. Mas maganda siguro si VeChain pa kasi dito sadyang mataas yung market cap niya kasi maraming gumagamit nito when it comes to coin transfer kasi mas mura yung trading fees. Parang stable coin. Di ba yung mga stable coins? Top market cap sila pero hindi nyo naman talaga siya pinagtitradean talaga. But yes, you can see, ayun diba? Kahit umabot si XRP ng $4 noon, or $3 to $4, you can see na XRP, pretty much dapat si XRP nasa $4 na dapat ngayon. Kasi look at this. If para masabi natin na talagang healthy si XRP for the long term, dapat ngayon si XRP, nasa area na siya ng between the all-time high. Kasi look at this. Bitcoin is just breaking the all-time high. Ethereum, well, nabura natin chart yung kay Ethereum, pero Ethereum is now at the brink of the all-time high. Look at XRP. Ang layo pa din natin sa all-time high. We are at 1.1, but all-time high is around the 3.1. Half pa siya. Sobrang layo. Looking at BNB. Si BNB nasa all-time high na din. So, yeah. Yun yung medyo worrying if you're going to invest with XRP. But if you want to invest talaga, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and many more. Cardano, I don't think so. Cardano, look at this. ADA USD. Cardano is now above the previous all-time high na din So, in this case, mas mataas na si Cardano sa all-time high. So, indicating na meron siya pretty much significant movement kay Cardano. Unlike kay XRP, nasa halfway point pa lang siya. So, kung si Cardano nandito na, si XRP nandito pa din. So, yun yung difference ng dalawang coin na yun. So, that's why mas maganda mag-invest sa other coins. Kasi, yun nga, basing on the historical data, hindi talaga okay for me. For me lang yun, guys. And that's my personal opinion. Nasa inyo na yun. Kung XRP maximalist. May CRO na po ba? Yup, kanina. Let's look at ano naman. Ano pa ba? Matic. Sige, let's look at Matic. Matic USD. Wag tayo sa kay Coinbase. Kaka-open lang ng data niya. Matic USD. Let's look at the Binance chart. So right now for Matic, I think we are starting to form this ascending triangle. So ayun, meron tayo ascending triangle in the daily time frame. So I think we're going to see an imminent move anytime soon kay Matic pag ganyan. It's just a matter of when lang. So if this breaks to the upside, then our target for Matic is by getting the height of this ascending channel, ascending triangle. Oops. And then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. You can see ang ating target is actually the 3.6 US dollars for Matic. So if break natin yan, then yeah. Yun yung ating target, 3.6 US dollars. Pero ano ba yung sinasabi ng Fibonacci indicators, Fibonacci retracement? You can see na, ito yung ating Fibonacci retracement. Oops. Ito yung Fibonacci retracement. So right now, we are actually holding a strong support dito sa ating Fibonacci retracement support. And na-resist tayo ng ating previous Fibonacci resistance. But right now, ang next target pa din is the 1.75 US dollars, a strong support sa 1.48 US dollars. And 2.4 US dollars yung pinakang kailangan niya i-break talaga. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. Just click the dollar sign down below if you want to support the channel. Especially all of the contents na binibigay ko are free. So, yeah. And by the way, meron din kasi mga scammers na ginagamit yung name ko tapos sinisingil kayo. Remember guys, di ako naniningil ng kahit anong payment when it comes to giving this analysis. As you can see, di ba? Available naman sila lahat sa YouTube. But yeah, right now for Matic, meron din tayong bullish divergence na nag-form, indicating na that is a bullish trend reversal signal. Yeah, that is for Matic. Gala. Sige, let's look at Gala. Ang dami nagsasuggest ng Gala na yan, pero ang problem ko kasi kay Gala or kay Gala is kulang historical data. So as you can see, ito lang historical data natin kay Gala or kay Gala. 2021 lang siya, September. And yeah, para sa akin kulang yung data for dito kay Gala. But you can see overbought tayo, indicating na hindi na maganda humabol. It's actually not a good time to buy. Tingnan yung historical data ni Gala. Kulang na kulang. Ang nag-print pa lang na data as of now is the 50-day moving average. So right now, hindi pa talaga maganda ngayon for Gala. Let's look at other analysis. SLP. Sige, let's look at SLP. Gamitin natin si USDT chart. Gamitin natin yung aking isa pang chart, which is yung moving average chart. Kasi dun mas maayos si SLP. SLP, USDT. So since nag-dip si Bitcoin, of course nag-dip din si SLP. So yeah, right now we are back bearish dahil nga nag-breakdown si Bitcoin. And dapat diba ang previous analysis natin, dapat it should hold either 20 or 50-day moving average, but since we've broke down below, yeah, we are pretty much bearish for the short term. But I think what you have to do is you have to zoom out talaga, kasi you can see if you're going to remove the moving averages, SLP is pretty much consolidating. So right now, I think huddle lang for now kay SLP. Hindi din maganda mag-sell ngayon, no? Kasi of course, hindi siya good, hindi siya, walang selling opportunity in the RSI. Kay daily time frame, meron tayo actually nagpo-form na bullish divergence, so indicating na magkakaroon tayo ng bullish trend reversal for SLP. So right now, yun yung atin titingnan if we are going to see a bullish trend reversal with SLP in the coming days or in the coming hours. So yeah, yun yung monitor nyo kay SLP. Chainlink and DOT. Sige, let's look at DOT at saka Chainlink. Let's use our swing trade chart. So this is for Polkadot. So as you can see kay Polkadot, nag-hold tayo actually na strong support at the 50-day moving average. And the Fibonacci retracement support is actually acting as a strong support around the $41. So yeah, right now yun yung ating kailangan i-hold. I think pretty much sinusunod niya yung galaw ng Bitcoin na. But right now you can see DOT is actually forming an ascending channel. So I think this is just going to be a continuation pattern lang. Which I think na pwede mo i-swing trade. You can buy the support and then sell at the resistance. So right now, it looks like DOT is just consolidating further with this price action. So yeah, right now, good buying opportunity in the early time frame kasi meron bullish divergence. Pretty much the whole crypto market is forming a bullish divergence. So ayan o. So indicating baka tomorrow makita tayo ng green day talaga sa buong crypto market. Pero sa 4 time frame, wala pa talagang bullish indicators. But yeah, right now, ang daming bullish signals. So yeah, that is for Polkadot. Let's look at Link USD. So for Link, wala pa pala tayong analysis dito, no? Sige. Gawa natin siya ng analysis. So I think Link is pretty much moving sideways right now. So 2021, yeah. It's actually moving sideways ngayon. Let's look at this in the daily. But it's steadily increasing. Pullback, pump, pullback, pump, pullback, pump. So if this is the trend for Chainlink for a very long time, then Chainlink would be a good investment kasi I know. Yung habit ni Chainlink is by pumping. Parang parang pump ng 3x, dump once, pump 3x, dump once, pump 3x, dump once. So I think Chainlink is actually looking pretty bullish ha. Kung ako tatanungin nyo dito. Especially if you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame. Consistent yung kanyang return and increase. So let's look at this in the 4 time frame. 4 time frame, wala pang bullish indicators. But you can see, same goes with other coins. Declining price, increasing RSI. That's a signal for a bullish trend reversal or somewhat of a consolidation dito. So yun yung titingnan natin dito for Chainlink. Dumating na ba crypto.com card mo? Wala pa, but yeah. Nakausap ko sila and sabi daw nila, the reason kaya na-delay yung mga crypto.com card is because may shipment issues nung pandemic, but since lumawag na daw, ngayon na lumalabas ulit. Yung mga ibang kasama ko nakuha na nila yung card nila. Actually, yung kasama ko taga Davao. So, nakuha niya na yung card niya ngayon sa Davao. And yeah, lumalabas na actually lahat ngayon ng yung mga cards ngayon ng crypto.com. So, abang na lang siguro dun. Solana. Sige, let's look at Solana. Sol USD. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. Just click the $sign down below. So let's extend this Fibonacci retracement. So Solana is actually pretty much consolidating dito. It's actually moving sideways and you can see ni ating 200 moving average in the 4 time frame is acting as a support, indicating that this is a good entry opportunity for Solana, which is yun nga 200 moving average. So right now yun yung titingnan natin dapat ngayon, which is yung 200 moving average. But yeah, that is right now for Solana. Strong support ngayon yung $215 kasi yun yung ating Fibonacci retracement support. And our Fibonacci retracement target for resistance is actually the $277. So yeah, I think this is a good buying opportunity, especially in the early time frame. Hindi pala masyado. Walang bullish indicators. Cardano, tapos na tayo sa Cardano. You can actually just scroll back. Pati po si Attorney Libayan, TETA mo NFT sa kanya. Katecoin. Saan ba may Katecoin? Wala dito sa ano eh. Wala dito sa dito sa ano eh. Trading view. Let's go back dito sa Bitcoin chart natin. And you can see Bitcoin is still pretty much at this area pa din. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade it with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. Dogecoin. Sige nga, let's look at Dogecoin. Tagal natin hindi natin tingnan si Dogecoin, no? Oh, no, guys. Ito yung kailangan natin tingnan. Guys. Ito yung window area kung saan nagkakaroon ng pump kay Dogecoin. Kasi if you're going to look at this, just like Cardano, Dogecoin has this habit of consolidating for a very long time before seeing a massive pump. So, ayun na may consolidation area si Dogecoin. Pero, remember, Dogecoin is a meme coin, so wag niyo siya masyado seryosohin. But yeah, right now, we are at that window area kung saan nakita tayo ng pump kay Dogecoin. So, siguro, trade it for fun lang. Trade it for fun lang, guys. Wag niyo masyadong seryosohin yung Dogecoin. But yeah, I think this is a good win opportunity for Dogecoin talaga. Let's go back to Ethereum ulit. Ethereum USD. So yeah, right now, ito yung nangyayari ngayon sa crypto market. I think pretty much that's it eh. And guys, if gusto nyo sumali sa ating iPhone 13 giveaway, you can actually join by joining our Bybit Christmas giveaway. You can actually find this iPhone 13 giveaway in the description down below. So yeah, sali lang kayo guys if you want to join. And if you want to stake your coins, the best place to stake your coins is in crypto.com. Dito, mas malaki ating interest. So if you want to stake your coins, crypto.com is the best place to stake. As usual, sign up link is in the description down below. And if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, okay kay Bingbon. So yeah, siguro yun muna update natin for today. Let's end the live na muna siguro ngayon kasi I think marami naman na tayo na pag-usapan na. Pinapalitan nyo pa ba yung settings ng Fibonacci retracement mo? Nope. Hindi ko siya pinapalitan. But yeah, siguro yun muna update natin for today. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more.